Today we are going to give you 5 tips on how to lose all that Christmas weight. The holiday season is usually associated with an abundance of food. Given the type of food consumed at this time of year, it should come as no surprise that many gain weight around the holidays. Here are some of our best tips on how to get rid of that belly fat quick. Tip number 1. Keep an eye on sugar and carbs, not the calories. Eating foods high in sugars and carbohydrates causes your body to go into fat storing mode, making it very tough to lose belly fat. Reduce your intake of extremely sweet foods, sugary drinks, and carbohydrate-rich items like rice, bread, potatoes, beans, cereals, whole grains, and typical snacks like biscuits and energy drinks as much as possible. When you start counting sugars and carbohydrates, not only will your body burn fats more rapidly and efficiently, but a low-sugar diet also has significant long-term health benefits. Tip number 2. Get rid of your after-dinner snacking habit. After dinner, you should stop eating. No desserts, particularly sugary ones, and no late-night munchies. Allow your body to rest and recover. When you eat frequently, your body is continually working to digest the food you eat, leaving little time for your body system to rest. Tip number 3. Stay away from the scales. Gaining a few extra pounds after a Christmas feast isn't usually because you've gained weight, but rather because you've retained water as a result of the increased salt in all that holiday food. Instead of focusing your energy and attention on the scales, concentrate on the steps you're taking to get your healthy eating back on track. Drinking enough of water, eating plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, and avoiding processed meals will all help you feel better after the holidays. Tip number 4. Get rid of any Christmas leftovers. You can't consume it if it isn't there. You will eventually succumb if you know you have a kitchen full of biscuits, chocolate, and Christmas cake, according to study. After the festivities are finished, clean up your fridge and cupboards by freezing leftovers and giving them away. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can find appreciative receivers. Restock your pantry with healthier snacks like raw nuts, fresh fruit, and chopped veggies, which you can reach for whenever you're hungry. Tip number 5. Set particular exercise goals. Gyms are nearly always busiest in the second week of January, with lots of sparkling new pants and good intentions. However, statistics suggest that by mid-February, attendance levels are nearly usually back to normal. For those of us who aren't natural exercisers, merely committing to getting to the gym more is far too ambiguous. The idea is to set extremely specific workout goals, such as 2 spinning lessons per week and a Sunday yoga class. To ensure that you get your exercise, plan ahead of time and write it down in your calendar each week. Consistency is key. Make a realistic plan for yourself and stick to it.